Hi, and welcome to this project using SonicPi 3, in which I play FrereJaques, but with a difference because I'm visualizing it by means of processing. I've got a processing script over here, and this is going to respond to incoming OSC messages sent from SonicPi. If you look at the first part, which is played here in this live loop down here, you'll see that in the middle of it there are a series of OSC messages which are sent from SonicPi. OSC Chan A, that's going to send essentially the X position along the axis, in which we're going to represent the first part of SonicPi FrereJaques playing in this screen up here. And the second one is going to send NA. That's actually a value which is scaled, but which is based upon the note which is currently playing, and that's going to set the vertical position which we're going to draw for a particular part. And then the third one is RADA. This is going to set the radius of a circle which is drawn, and that is going to be related to the duration of the note. So a long duration note will have a larger radius circle than a quick note, and so the first part will be drawn with a series of circles here, and the vertical position will be dependent upon the pitch of the note. The radius of the circle will be dependent upon the duration of the note, and finally the color of the note will be related to the pitch of the note as well. And each of the four channels, we're going to have a four-part round, will have a separate basic color, but this will alter as the pitch of the note changes and as the circle is drawn at different heights. So I've already got the processing script running, and it's produced this black output screen here, and it's waiting for incoming OSC messages when I start SonicPi playing. And you can see down the bottom here there's some information saying that it has got an OSC connection running, OSC PS is running, P5 is running, that's actually the IP address of my Mac at the moment, and it's listing on port 8000. And you will see at the top of the program we have the address at which we're running here, at which we're going to send OSC messages, is on the local host address and to port 8000. Up here we've got the notes and the duration of those notes for SonicPi, and this is the tempo we're going to use, 180 beats per minute. We're turning on the OSC logging, so you'll actually see, and I'll move this slightly when we get going. In fact, let's do that a bit now so we can just see a little bit more. Here you'll see the OSC messages coming. This is from a previous run, and Nmax is the number of times which is going to run before it stops. I'm just going to run through twice. So here goes FrereJaques with visual accompaniment. Hope you enjoy it. Second part comes in. Third part. First part finishes, second part finishes, third part finishes, fourth part finishes, and so we played each part through twice. They finish on a longer note and so a larger radius circle. You can see the four separate colours here, and if I play it once more you'll notice how the colour changes. It's a brighter colour up here and it gets a darker colour as the note falls. So let's just play it once again without me saying anything, just so you can listen to it. Here we go.